My name is Katie Terry, and I am in Shipka's Ethics and Issues course. And I am talking today about the seventh season of The Walking Dead. I do think that the season 7 premiere did go too far. Although I think that the episode went too far, I don't think it is in our control to filter what the producers decide to put on television. Obviously, because it's their show, their network, and they're going to decide. If it were my decision, I wouldn't have allowed this extensive amount of dark content on national television, this massive amount of violence in general. I would demand for the show to cut to commercial early. That's probably what I would have done. And I think that there was enough content to get the point of what was going on out, that they could have cut to commercial before it got to the point it did. Um, I think it is awful to put this much content on national television. As much as I am against it, again, I know that the society we live in has grown extremely numb to the violence and being played on television, and in movies, in video games. I mean, it's everywhere. It's on social media, and I just think that because of technology, that everything is just magnified, and I think that just leads to other problems. But ultimately, I don't think that it really matters whether it went too far or not because it is so common in the world we live in today. I personally think that the episode went too far, and I think that if people were wanting to see that much violence, they could go to another source rather than putting it on national television. But it's obviously obvious that it's out of our control, and it's almost a normal thing in our society to see.